Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where we are going to make a comparison between Novatech and Eaconomy. One of them does real Forex trading and the other one does not, and I'm going to let you decide which one is which. All right, let's go. So let's start with Novatech, okay? Novatech. First and foremost, transparency. So if you look at the founders, the CEOs of Novatech, they were previously in a Ponzi scheme called AVS Mining. So after that folded, apparently, then they created Novatech. What a great turn of events, right? So most likely they learned everything on how to run these things behind the scenes, and then they can open up their own company. Absolutely fantastic. And then you might say, Marcus, isn't that very, very soon to say something like that? Maybe they changed their ways, maybe they, get better or something. Well, when we look at the evidence or lack thereof, we can make an educated, decision as to whether or not what it is, right? So check this. Now we know that their leadership, the absolute leadership, they have a history of being in Ponzi scheme, being promoters of big Ponzi schemes. They were not, they didn't own it or anything like that. They're just top promoters of it, which means that they would know. Like you would know if you're the top of the company. You do know what's going on behind the scenes. Maybe they got a big fat check when they exited it. Why not, right? Who knows? Who knows? But it's not a good sign right off the bat. Next, let's take a look at some Novatech My FX books. Wait, there aren't any. There aren't any. There is no proof whatsoever that these trades are taking place other than some percentages shown in the back office. And I actually got a comment on one of my videos, and he said they used to show the open trades, everything like that, but they got a lot of people who didn't understand trading that got very upset by it. Like, what? I don't know if this is true. I'm not a part of Novatech for obvious reasons, but they said that at some point it was more transparent, but then they removed it because people got really upset, or they didn't understand trading or something like that. And I'm thinking to myself, so what if that is true, which I don't know, right? I'm just going after the comment on one of my YouTube videos, and he said there was transparency before, and they just removed it because you couldn't handle it. I mean, seriously? Come on. So what in that case, we're basically saying, hey, you are too much of an idiot to understand what you're doing. Just shut up, give me your money, and I will give you back a small portion of it. Like, what's that mentality, right? So now all you have is blind faith. There is no evidence or proof of the funds whatsoever. But then you say, Marcus, they are paying out so far. Yeah, as long as new members are joining, you can take money from Bob and give to Joe, no problem, right? You don't know that. Well, neither do you. Why do you go on blind faith? Like this is why would you put in your hard-earned money and bring in friends, family, loved ones into something, and you haven't done your due diligence? Like, this has a lot of red flags, right? If we make a quick comparison to Economy, right? So Economy's flagship product is an EA, expert advisor, that has a free track record of almost 3 years. 3 years, real, with a verified MyFX book. And you say, Marcus, do they have one MyFX book? No, we have hundreds, because this EA, it trades inside your own brokerage account, whichever one you want, which means that you have full access to your funds. Even if something were to happen with Economy, nothing would happen with your initial investment. When something happens to Novatech, all your money is gone, right? Even if something were to happen with economy, which wouldn't make sense, and I will explain to you why, nothing would happen with your initial capital. Absolutely nothing, because they are separated. They are away from the company. They are in your own, Forex broker account, right? So it's trades there, and there is no. It's not a PAM account. There's no profit split. There's no performance fee. You keep 100% of the profits. 100%. 100. Isn't it amazing? So the model is completely different. They have a real track record, real trades in real time. You see everything, right? In the MyFX book, right? You see all the open trades, they are verified accounts, you see everything. And because each and every single member can use whichever Forex broker they want, we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these MyFX books, right? So complete transparency and full access to your funds where nothing can happen. It can't be scammed. It can't be rug pulled, right? So the only thing that can happen is that the EA performs badly. And let's take a look at that, right? Because IFINA, which is the name of the EA that the Eaconomy offers, its main goal is capital preservation. So they have very, 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 very small lot sizes to make sure that your account is never put at risk. So let's take a look. Okay. Go in. There we go. So here we see 2022 IFINA, and I have all of these links as well. If you want them at some point, just reach out to me. So 6%, 17%, 13%. And by the way, nothing is guaranteed. And past results are not indicative of future result in any way, shape, or form of the imagination. Absolutely not. Okay. So this is just what has happened thus far. It does not guarantee any future result. Nothing is guaranteed, right? And you see here 7% for November and 3.4% so far for December. Absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at this here account. Boom, boom, boom. And there you will see everyone in this company takes the same trades. So everyone has the same trades, but there's different risk factors that you can use for your account. We recommend the 200 setting, right? You shouldn't go above that. But that is what you will see, some discrepancies in the percentages from the different accounts. Here it wasn't properly running, so it wasn't activated on this particular account for November. But you'll see that they are very similar because everyone takes the same trades, right? And here's a third one as well. This is actually real accounts, right? Real amazing accounts that has had a really good track record. This has been going for a little bit longer, you can see. And why does it differ so much? Well, because it's real trading, right? And this is absolutely amazing. So this is something that we have with Eaconomy, right? We have full transparency. You have full access to your funds at all times. And the only reason, there can only be one reason Novatech doesn't show you these things. Why? Because they don't have it. And I understand a lot of you will get upset, angry. I understand why you get emotional, because you are doing this on blind faith alone, right? Without any evidence to support your arguments or facts. You go on blind faith. And I understand you have a lot to lose by being wrong. I have been in that situation. But it's important, if you want to have a long-term income that can compound over time, you cannot put your funds in things that are rug pulls, that are scams, that are Ponzi schemes, that will run away with your money. then you have to start all over again. All the promises that you made to the people around you about the money that you were going to earn, you're going to have a serious conversation with them. You're going to have to trade your time for money, start over from scratch with a new investment. So Warren Buffett has 2 investment rules. Number 1, never lose money. Number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Why? Because he understands compound interest, right? Don't lose money. Don't do high risk. Why? Because adventure, even if your portfolio goes up 10,000%, if it goes down 100, you're done. Finito, finished. It's not worth it, right? And also, you might be saying, hey, Novatech has been running for 3.5 years or something like that. Yeah. And they've been paying out. Yeah, up until now. New people joining. They can pay out other members. But there is no strategic advantage whatsoever to join Novatech now. Imagine this, right? Now, it will only go downhill from here. Right? They had a, what's like California had a cease and desist order. They've already got it from Canada, a fraud warning from Russia. Many more states in the US who don't allow them. They're not licensed with the SEC, so they'll probably get a securities and an exchange hammer on them. So, I mean, there's no advantage to this. Like if there's a new company with new momentum getting in a relative early position, which you can still do with Eaconomy, then that would be an advantage, right? But of course not if it's a scam, because it doesn't make sense. But now, like there is no incentive to join Novatech. And if you remove all the emotions, if you remove all the emotions and you could make the decision all over again between something that didn't provide any proof whatsoever at all and something where you have your funds safe and secure inside your own account. I know that Novatech says the same thing, but when the website of Novatech goes down, when your funds are gone as well. If something were to happen with Eaconomy, your funds are with whichever broker that you placed it on, and you get to keep 100%. You don't have to do a 30% share of your profits, right? Isn't that amazing? Absolutely amazing. So if you'd made a decision all over again, okay, here I have absolutely no track record, right? I have no evidence, I have no proof. I have to go on blind faith. And with this company, everything is laid out. We have a track record of 3 years back in time. You can see also, the open trades, the closing trades, everything, right? And even if something were to happen with that company, your funds, your initial investment will still be safe. I mean, it's not a hard decision, but there's so many emotions now. So many people have put in a lot of money. And if you're in Novatech now, take them out. Even if you don't join Eaconomy, that's fine. Take it out. Take it. You will regret it if you don't. Take everything out. Back office money is not worth anything. Zero. Only money that's in your bank account is worth something. Money that's in your back office is not real. It's monopoly money. If you want it to actually worth something, withdraw your funds right now. You will regret it. Find a better opportunity that doesn't have thousands of red flags, who don't lie to you, try to deceive you and keep away things from you because they don't think you're clever enough to understand it. No. So if you look here again, you'll see that Novatech is not registered with the SEC, right? They're not registered. It's not a registered company. So there's going to be a lot of things happening. And you want to get your money out now while you still can. Do it. Find a better investment vehicle. Whether that is Eaconomy, where your funds are safe and secure inside your own brokerage account, no matter what happens with the platform, because it's not a platform, there's actually no back office money whatsoever. They have real products. I'm going to show it to you just a second. Right? Do it. Remove it. Take it out. Take it out. right? And for those of you who like online investments, like, why not do it with something that has a real track record, where your funds are safe and secure for real in your own account? So this was the initial part where I covered Novatech. Now let's take a look at Eaconomy. If you're an online investor and you really want something that actually works, where you can put your money away and don't have to lose sleep at night worrying whether the platform is going to be there tomorrow or not, then there's so much better opportunities out there for you. And I want to share something with you, something where you can have the funds safe and secure in your own account, with past results being equal or greater than Novatech. No guarantees whatsoever on that department, just looking back in time. You get to keep, you have your funds with a regulated licensed Forex broker of your choice, anyone you want. And even if something were to happen with the company, nothing would happen to your funds. This is what you really wanted when you got started with Novatech. You just didn't know it existed. So take a look at this. Are you sick and tired of the scams, the rug pulls, the Ponzi schemes that are out there, and you want something that is real, that is transparent, that has a proven track record, where you have full control of your funds at all times? Then I would like to welcome you to Eaconomy. Here we have no back office money whatsoever. So check this out. So Eaconomy is launched September 2021. They're debt-free, they're privately owned, they're leading experts in currency and trading innovation. They're currently based in Las Vegas, but they're moving their headquarters over to Dubai. And the founder and CEO of Eaconomy is Hassan Mahmoud. He's a financial expert. He's done multiple 9 figures in global sales. He's spoken and trained in over 62 different countries, has helped tens of thousands of people worldwide to learn the power of passive income. He's a loving father and husband and absolutely loves people. So he has been named or shown at very prominent places such as Yahoo Finance, Influensive, Fox News, etc., etc. And before I decided to go all in with Eaconomy, what I did was that I actually flew over for the Eaconomy launch in London, and I met Hassan himself. I get to shake his hand, and I asked him a lot of questions. One in particular being, what is the bigger vision for the company? And he wants to make this a 20-year company, and I don't see no reason why it wouldn't. They're completely compliant. There's no back office money, and their products work. 92%, 92, now 89% of all people in Eaconomy are customers. They're just using the products and services because they want to, whether there would be a referral plan or not. And next to him, we have my sponsor, Suhail, and I'm very happy to have met him. He's one of the top leaders in Eaconomy. He hit the rank of Icon 50, earning $50,000 per month in little shy of 3 months. And he did this absolute amazing feat at the age of 24. So at the age of 24, he's already a 7-figure earner. Absolute beast. I get to meet both of them, and I realized that Eaconomy for me ticks all the boxes, and it was something I could really plant my flag and build a long-term organization, which is something that I really want to do. So what are the products and services that Eaconomy has to offer to make your trading experience much, much, much easier. First off, we have the Eaconomy Calibrate Academy. It's a video training academy with pre-recorded videos where you can learn the fundamentals of Forex trading. There's also live trading sessions that you can jump on and trade with the educators in real time, and it's available in multiple different languages, currently English, Spanish, and Arabic. Moreover, we have MNS, and MNS is a signal provider. So you will receive an alert to your phone, you can review the alert, and then you can take the trade. So basically you can copy, paste, and profit. The really cool part is from MNS, you get the signals through a Telegram group, and they are going to semi-automate this in the future. So coming soon, you will be able to just click accept or decline whether you would like to participate in the trade or not. So it's going to be semi-automated going forward, and I would just like to share some results people have had with MNS. As you can see here, this is the weekly Forex results, and we get one of these every single week, so we know what's up. And if you see the MNS trade ideas, you see here 302 pips with a 100% win rate, 6 trade ideas. MNS Nepal, 160 pips, 50% success rate. And we also have the MNS Arabic, which has done really, really well, almost 600 pips. So this is nothing is guaranteed, of course, but here you can see every single week what the past performance have been, so it give you an idea of what you are getting. So if we go back here, let's talk about Manara. Manara is absolutely amazing. It's a tool that will save you 95% of the time by not having to analyze the markets yourself. So you don't have to look at the charts all day because you have an AI technology that will do all the heavy lifting for you. So let's take a look. So here we have Manara. It is very, very easy to use. There is a quick tutorial that I will show will send to you after you get started, so you can learn all about the features. So I'm just going to give you a very brief overview. So you have different settings here, and you can decide which asset classes you want to trade, which time frames you prefer, and different patterns. We're going to get back to these patterns in just a second, and also the pattern type. Securities, you can select which pairs you want to trade. We have the majors, the minor, and exotic. There's bonds, indices, commodities, metals that you can choose, and it will just give you here. So let me share with you an example. So if I go here, I have selected the bat and the butterfly patterns, as you see here, bat and butterfly. So if you take a look at here, we can actually see the different success rate with the different patterns. So the bat has an 83% on average success rate, and butterfly has 85% success rate. You might be asking, hey, why would I want to go lower than that? Well, because you get more trades, right? Everyone has their type of their own preferences when it comes to trading, but of course always do your own analysis as well. So if we take a look at the different trades here, you will see which trading pairs we have, and also the patterns that's used, the time frame, the status, and the risk to reward ratio. So I can just click on any of these. Complete means that it has entered the zone. So it will do all the heavy lifting for you, and you can see here is where you should enter in this here between these lines. Here is your stop loss, and here's the different take profit areas that you can focus on, right? If I press a new one, boom, it has a new analysis. I will see if it's a good risk to reward ratio. I can do some quick, fundamental analysis myself, and then I can just decide whether I want to jump on these trades. So these are super, super, super powerful, and it really saves you a lot of time and a lot of energy so that you can spend that doing other type of things with your time, right? Also, we have Hercules, which is a dollar cost average software for cryptocurrencies. So instead of you buying in at the highest possible point with say like $1,000, you put everything in at once, this software would tell you, okay, it's better if you go in with $200 on this price, $150 on this price, $300 on this price, and so on and so forth. And when they back tested this, they realized that someone that just put in a lump sum of money into all at the same time, had they done the dollar cost average system with Hercules during the same period of time, their portfolio would be worth 10 times as much. So it's really important that you go in at different times, just not everything when it's all-time high and then it crashes down. Not a good strategy. And then we also have the flagship product, Ifina. Take a look.
Take the power of trading to a whole other level with AI superpower, Athena by Eaconomy. Your money is your money. Nobody has access to it except you. It's totally safe and securely locked in your personal account that sits behind your own brokerage and trading account to build your own legacy. Free of interference from companies, Athena lets you monitor and control your trading 24/7 from an app on your phone. No distractions, no limits. But too many traders today focus on quantity of trades without strategy. With over 2 years of testing, backed by one of the most advanced and exciting platforms on the market, Athena helps you focus on capital preservation while executing precision trades. What's more, Economy won't charge deposit, management, or performance fees. Your profits are your profits. Enjoy them with the people you love, or just yourself. It simply requires an initial load and balance of $1,000 and just 3 minutes of setup time. Is a lifetime of potential earnings and secondary income worth just 3 minutes of your time? We think so. Charge up your freedom and take control of the game with the AI trading superpower software, Athena by Eaconomy.
So Ifina is every bit as good as it sounds, and it will trade for you completely hands-off in whichever Forex broker that you choose. And that is absolutely amazing. You have complete safety and security of your funds, and there's complete transparency. So the strategy that Ifina uses is that it's looking for when the market is overbought or oversold, so looking at support and resistance levels, and when the trends start to switch, boom, then it enters the market. So this is not a martingale strategy. This is real AI with machine learning, and we have professional traders looking at it at every time, every interval where it's being active. So if there needs to be human intervention for some particular black swan event in the market, we have those people in place. Right now, what I want to share with you is that the drawdown on Ifina is super, super low. So the lot sizes are very small so that your capital is never at risk. They have capital preservation as their main thing. And now we have almost 3 years of recorded data, recorded results. And what we have seen is that we have an average of 7 to 10% return on a monthly basis. Now, this is by any means of the imagination, no guarantee. Past results are not indicative of future results, but what we do have is that we have hundreds and hundreds of verified MyFX book results of happy customers using Ifina. So let's take a look. So this here particular account goes back to 2020. And as we can see here, they have been very good months all through 2021. It's been very consistent, apart from that 1 month where it wasn't properly activated. So as you can see here, is that there have been winning and losing days, but there's been no losing month up until this point. And that's absolutely amazing. So even with turmoil in the marketplace, you know, with the Russia-Ukraine situation, there's been the Luna crash and FTX, it's still holding strong, it's being consistent, and it delivers over and over again. So this is one of the most stable and long-term things that I have found out there, which really gives you full transparency and also gives you access and full autonomy to your funds, which is super important. So now let's take a look at a Athena testimonial.
All right, guys, so this is my Athena account. As you can see here, from Sunday market open until now, this thing has done $84 for the wheat for the whole month that this thing's been running. As you can see here, it's up $549 with a deposit of $54.60. We just broke 6K today, and this thing is absolutely savage. It's currently in another position. Let's go ahead and look at my FX book that I connected to this account from the 29th of August until now. It's up almost 10%. And look at my good brother here as well, who literally started his account on the 23rd, 100K account, up over almost 16%. Absolutely savage. Don't miss that.
So how do you get started with the product and service Economy has to offer? So you'll see that many companies offer in the Forex niche, offer education, they offer trading, they offer signals, but very few offer automation, and none else offer all of them together. So this makes Economy very unique. And if you look at the competitors in the industry, Economy is the one with the most value for money price. So like you see here, it's very affordable. The first month is $149 out of pocket, and then it's $99 every month forward. And this will give you access to the Academy. It will give you access to the signals. It will give you access to the Manara software, which I showed you. You'll also get access to the dollar cost averaging system for cryptocurrencies. And CoinZoom is a third party where you get paid out if you decide to do the referral plan, and they also offer a card. Really great stuff. So all of this is included for $99 per month. And this is a basic subscription per month. So if at any given time you're feeling like, hey, I'm not getting enough value from this, you can just cancel, and that is it. You're not bound up for any period of time. But one thing I want to let you know is that Economy has a 92% retention rate, meaning that when 10 people start, 9 of them continues. Why? Because they get more value from the products and services than the price they are paying monthly. So that's something to keep in mind. But these things are absolutely savage. The people having great results. I'm looking forward to adding you to our results group, showing you all the testimonials, also getting you in the groups, showing you the tutorials for how to get started so that you can become a profitable trader consistently in the financial markets without spending too much time doing so. Also, if you would like all of the above mentioned, but also access to the complete automation software, Athena, that is then it would be the Elite Pro Pack that would suit you best. Is $235 upfront, and then $149 per month afterwards. And same thing here, it's a per month basis. So if this does not over deliver, you can just cancel your subscription, and that is it. But there is a reason why we have so many happy customers, so many people that are staying with us. Also, there is an incentive. It's a promotion we have going on that if you share this opportunity with 3 friends, right? And they decide to like, hey, this is amazing, and as long as they are using the product, all three of your friends, you don't have to. So you don't have to pay your monthly subscription fee if you refer three of your friends who you also want to help, who also want to win consistently in the markets. There is a way for you to make a business out of this as well as an affiliate. For that, you need to purchase the affiliate marketing kit so that you get access to more features that you have in the back office. The first month is $29, and every month after that, it's $15. And that will allow you to get paid from the compensation plan. Let's quickly take a look at it because this is super, super, super powerful. So check this out. First, if you refer three people personally, you hit the first rank of becoming an apprentice, where you will earn a total of $100 per month, which is paid out every Friday as $25. When you have accumulated 20 people in total in your organization with help from above and help from below, then you will earn $500 per month, $125 per Friday. And when you have accumulated 40 people in your team in total, you will hit the rank of Influencer 900, where you will earn $900 per month or $225 per week. So let's take a look at the full compensation plan. What you will see here, that this compensation plan is really, really good. Why? Because there's no points, there's no volume flushing, there's no cycles, there's none of that. Here we have a binary, two sides, and you have an equal amount of customers on each side. And that's all there is to it, right? Nothing more, nothing less. So this is super, super powerful, because this is basically like your customers are having an auditorship, right? They're paying for the services because it's giving them more value. They're winning in the financial markets, and they want to keep having their subscription, right? And as long as they have their subscription, you will get paid for the same rank. And why is that a good thing? Say that you're building a team, but it's not growing to the next month, but nobody has quit either, then you will get the same paycheck as the previous month. So you will have a stable recurring income per rank. There will not be any of the cycle flushes like I mentioned. There will not be any resets, none of that. As long as you have an active number on point on each side, you will get paid every single Friday, which is really, really, really good. It will give you very consistent and dependable income to come in. So it's not based on people's deposits, because there's literally no back office money here. It's not based on a trading performance, because that happens in the privacy of your own Forex broker account away from the company. Company cannot touch it in any way, shape, or form. So that is really, really good. So if you look at this, you only need 3 personally enrolled all the way to $3,000 per month. And if you're working with a team, right, and you will get spillover from the person above you as well. So if you're placed on the right side and they place more people on the right side, they will fall into you, and that will count towards your organization, right? And also when the people that you have placed underneath you starts to introduce this to their friends, family, business associates, or starts doing marketing online, that will also count towards your organization. So you have a lot of leverage here. And basically, when like in our team, for instance, like we are absolute rock stars when it comes to this. We do this full time. We do this diligently. We're going through this compensation plan. Okay, so there will be a lot of spillover on the one side. So basically, the majority of the work you have to do is just on the one side. What we always say to keep a healthy binary is put 70% of your efforts on your inside leg and then 30% on your outside leg, and you will have a healthy binary and a good culture overall. So check this out. So with that being said, you could potentially, right, earn $3,000 per month with personally referring 3 people and building a team of, after you open the binary, with 75 people, right? Or 76, because you need to open the binary, one person on each side, and then like 75 people, and you could potentially then earn 3,000 if you had spillover on the other side. I mean, this is like, wow. When I understood this, and you have a product that people actually want, that they use. We have 89% of people in the company are just customers. Only 11% are affiliates, right? So people are actively using the products just for the sake of using their products. They don't care about the compensation plan. They don't care about anything. They just love the products. They want to continue using it. And that is a really, really healthy ratio, right? Really, really healthy ratio. And then when you go down here, Prodigy, 5,000, you have 200 people on each side, you earn $5,000 per month. Icon 9, it's 375 people on each side, 9,000 per month. You'll also get a once-off lifestyle bonus of $6,000 when you hit this rank. Icon 15 is 500 each side, 15,000 per month. You'll also earn an additional $15,000 the first month in lifestyle bonus once off. Icon 25, you have 1,000 people on each side, earn $25,000 per month. You'll also earn $25,000 the first month extra for hitting the rank. Icon 50, you have 2,000 people on each side, and you will earn $50,000 per month, and you will have an extra $50,000 lifestyle bonus when you first hit the rank. Mogul 75, you will earn $75,000 per month with 3,000 on each side. You'll earn $75,000 extra the first month. Mogul 100 is 4,500 on each side, and you earn $100,000 per month with an additional 100,000 the first month of achieving the rank. And this compensation plan actually goes all the way up to 1 million. So this is absolutely amazing. Don't miss out on this. This is a really easy and fair compensation plan where 80% of the gross profits of the company is put into the compensation plan. So it's really, really lucrative. And if you work together, especially with people such as myself and my team who are really go-getters, you will get a lot of spillover, and it will just make your life easier overall. And it will be easier, I would say, to go through all of these ranks. So if you're interested in that, let's do it together. We're in it to win it, and we want to help you do the same. Thank you very much. My name is Marcus, and what you should do right now is to click the link down in the description below. Get started with the products. I will reach out to you. I will tell you exactly what you need to do. I will share with you all the materials that you will need. I will add you to all the groups, and then we'll get set up a game plan for you and your team. So I'm super, super happy and excited to be working with you. So let's do it together. Have a good one. Bye-bye.